Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Ken with Selkirk Woodcraft, and today I got a pretty cool serving tray project for you. So I just used some scrap wood. I have some mahogany and some alder, and I just had some scrap pieces, and so I kind of glued them up and kind of off camera and just made squares. These are about 9-inch, 9 1/4 squares, and I ran them through the planer and then cut them down to size. Just kind of get a rough smoothness on them, and then I'm just going to use this template, and it's not too hard. So I just use this X-Fasten double-sided tape. Now, the trick with using this tape and this templates is you don't want to put too much tape on these. If you put too much, they're really hard to get off. And if you have some delicate templates, you can break the templates pretty easy. So just 2 or 3 small pieces is really all it needs. So I usually just stick it on, take a knife, and don't cut your finger off, and just put 2 or 3 little pieces on, and this tape sticks really good, just a double-sided tape, and it's enough to hold it on for what we're doing. And so on this one, I think I'm gonna put 3 pieces on here, I think. I'll cover up my logo, that's okay. And so, yeah, 3 pieces. I'll take the backing off. I just use the knife tip, which helps me out. If you wanted to put 4, you could, but just, 2 or 3 little pieces is all you need. And then you just flip it over, find out where you want to line it up on the board, and just stick it on the board and push down. And then what we'll do is either use a jigsaw or a bandsaw and cut close to this template without cutting into the template. Some people will lay it on here and trace it out and do it. I'm just going to stick it on here, and I'll just be careful not to cut it. Okay, so then once it's all routed, you just peel the template off. Again, if you only just have a few little pieces to hold in place, you should just be able to take your hand, and with a little constant pressure, it'll peel right off. If you have too much on there, then you have to take a screwdriver or something and peel it off, and that's when you break templates. So I set my router bit just so it leaves a little tiny edge. That way I don't cut into my router bit. And that's okay, because this will just sand right off, or I use a little 1/4-inch round over, and that will take that little lip off there. And so yeah, that's perfect. So let me finish up the rest of these, and I'll be back to you once I get all these cut out. Okay, so now all the pieces are cut out, and I use the compression bit here to flush trim them to the template. And now I'm going to use a 1/8-inch round over bit and swap out my router here and just give the pieces a nice 1/8-inch round over. Okay, and then to finish these, since I'll be putting food on them, I like to use this Howard butcher block conditioner. It's just like food grade mineral oil and beeswax. A lot of people make their own. Yeah, I do make my own sometimes, but I ran out, so I just bought a bottle of this. One bottle does several projects, and pretty good stuff. Let's give it a shake and kind of squirt it on. Nice thing about this stuff is you put on a pair of rubber gloves and you just apply it by hand. You just kind of rub it in and let it sit for quite a while. Let it soak in. You can put multiple coats on there if the wood absorbs it. You can reapply this to old boards too. If you have an old cutting board that's drying out or kind of looking weathered, you can give an old cutting board a nice refresher and make it look like new again. Just give it a quick sand and put some butcher block conditioner on it, and it'll make it look like new again.
And here's the final project all put together. Makes a nice serving board, and you can take the pieces apart, and it makes it really easy to store. You just stack them and put them away. If you want templates for yourself, I'm starting to make templates and put them on my website. You can get them at selkirkwoodcraft.com. I sell templates. I have some plans. I have some free plans. Yeah, so check it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.